Oh, guys, where am I?
Where we are in the back rooms.
Oh no!
No,
Oh
the guy
no!
Is the
the
guy
guy
there?
is there. The guy is there.
Oh,
Run.
oh,
Oh my
oh,
gosh,
oh,
that
oh,
guy is
oh.
terrible. Oh my god, no.
Oh
Yeah, we need to
no!
run. We need to run. Oh my god.
Let's speed run. Go, Cepat. Cepat. Let's go.
Oh no no no! Don't go there! Don't
Don't
go there! Don't go there!
Don't
Don't
go
go there!
that way.
Don't
Don't
go
go
there!
that way. Don't go that way.
Oh, oh! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Double D. Oh, what the hell?
Maya, you seriously don't play with us, pa? Why that way? Okay.
Because your mom.
Whoa!
Okay, run. Follow there.
Follow the arrow, guys. It's always safe, you know? It's always safe. Alright.
What are you guys playing?
The Apeirophobia. We're playing Apeirophobia because Steve didn't play with us. Look, is
Oh.
that a step ladder or is that a ladder?
Oh, it's step ladder.
Oh, the guy is behind us. The guy is behind us.
The
The guy is
guy
behind us.
The guy is behind us. Oh no. Okay, he's not chasing us, I think.
Wait, where's
Watch the
Steve?
arrow. I'm right here. What do you mean?
You.
Oh, I
What do you
see, I
mean?
see.
What do you mean?
I didn't see you.
Where are we supposed
Oh, your mom. Oh, your mom. Oh.
It's behind these walls, I think.
Then
Oh,
let's go.
Oh, it's here.
No, this way.
Bro, that scared the hell out of me.
Oh, it's behind us. It's behind us. It's behind us.
Follow.
Run.
Follow me.
We're gonna die.
Oh, no, my.
We aren't. No, we aren't. We're good. Listen, man. As long yes, yeah, bro.
Let's go.
Got it.
Step
Let's
ladder for the
go.
win.
See, I told you you're gonna die.
Now the most annoying part of the game, having to run through endless corridors. Is there a course in each level?
I think so because there's 6 of them. I only found like 5 kind of. What's that game called again? The one that uses the camera?
Oh, Outlast.
Yeah, wait. Yeah, is that?
But Outlast has freaking benefits, but using a camera.
They did. Yeah, exactly. But this one's practically useless.
The only time I think is when it's useful is when we have to go underwater.
I guess so. Also,
Eat.
don't leave
Okay,
cameras
look.
on top.
Betul ba? Oh, you can't.
Let's go.
You can't.
Let's go. Time to find the core. Yeah,
Oh, there we go.
search for
Oh.
pipes that search for the ones that glows. You can see. I mean,
Oh.
And
it has
then
a
like
yellow
the
aura.
it's coming.
Oh.
Wait.
Whoa!
Huh?
Whoa!
It's coming to our direction. Run.
I didn't see that in high quality.
Come on.
I did not see the guy in high
I
quality.
can't
I
move.
did not see the guy in high quality. Steve,
Help!
if it turns,
Help!
if it
Help!
it means you have to rest for a second.
Help me!
Gosh.
Ah!
Oh my god.
It's near us.
Oh my gosh, you're so much faster in underwater. You're so much faster in
Oh,
the
no.
water.
Oh.
You're so much faster in water. You're so much
Hey, run,
faster.
Steve. No.
Man, really looks like a freaking gorilla.
Hey, oh no. Okay, well he's gigantic.
What is?
Oh guys,
Oh, damn.
guys, do not come to me. Do not come to me. Guys, run.
Um.
Me. The guy
Um.
has teeth and it's very disgusting. You see. You guys
Yeah.
can guess.
Look at me.
Yeah, what's up?
Look at me.
What the
Smile.
fuck is
Smile for the Instagram. Smile.
Oh,
Mom.
it's open.
Oh.
Yeah,
Okay,
it's open.
Instagram Reels. Instagram Reels.
Wait, guys, don't go there. Get the core.
Well,
Get the core. Don't
We
go
don't
yet.
know where the core is.
No, yeah, stay where you are. I know where the core is.
We stay. We don't move.
Are you guys
okay.
at the door?
So
Oh my gosh.
so
You're
you
at
want
the door right
you
now.
wanna you want a
Okay.
selfie, my guy?
Oh my God.
Do not come out of the door. Do not come out of the door.
Oh man.
Okay, wait. Take your camera and take your camera
Put it on your
and
ass.
use it to go
Oh.
underwater. Go to the deepest
Oh.
end and until you find an exit.
Is there
What's
a
up?
night vision? No, of course not.
Wait. Don't. Come on, wait. Is that?
Wait,
is the
go
guy-
up or go down?
Ah!
Wait, go up.
Okay, you should go down. You go down, yeah.
Okay,
No,
never
go down,
mind.
actually.
Go down.
Wait. You guys want the core?
No.
We don't care about the core for now, Aaron.
Oh, he's right above us. Oh my gosh.
Okay, yeah, keep going down.
I can't see. What the fuck?
I
Then I'll
can't
go through.
I can't see. I really
And-
can't see.
It's this
I think
way.
I'm drowning. I
You
think I'm
can't.
drowning.
Maybe you are. Oh my gosh, why is my screen so black? I can't see it anymore.
Oh,
Yeah, I drowned.
oh, I
Wait, you guys
survived.
are drowning? Oh my gosh, I think I'm dead too.
Oh well, damn! I survived, guys.
Hey, Chipat, get us to the next floor.
Okay.
Yeah, nobody cares about the story, even though.
Oh yeah, on this one. Wait, no, Steve, no, crouch, crouch,
Steve,
crouch.
Steve, I swear to gosh,
Whoa.
your mom, I'm going to
Don't
kill
make,
you.
don't make a noise because the monster here, they can't see, but they can hear.
No, we can make the noise right now.
Look,
Just when we
okay.
get to the end there.
So,
Oh.
it's my first time playing, so.
Yeah, you gotta listen to us because we're gaming. Okay, so when you crouch.
And don't move.
Yeah, don't move when the guy's close to you. By the way. Oh my god! Oh, they did get. Oh, I see what they mean. They got an update on the monsters. Oh boy.
What is that? Holy! Oh, why did you move?
There you can go in cabinets to hide, and you can go
Bro,
to other cabinets.
it's not going away.
Yeah, just wait lah.
Can I use my camera?
Yeah,
Your
I
mom.
mean, but
Your mom.
you can hide in the cabinet, by the way.
Man, that man smells.
So you have one key. I have another. Wait, hold on. Did I not grab the key? Oh, you grabbed the key.
Come on, don't move.
Ba.
Your mom, you suck ass.
Can
Uh,
These
Why
nuts.
am I?
There is some nice gameplay, Evan, my man. There is some nice gameplay.
It's good comedy. It's good comedy.
Well,
died,
well,
like,
I didn't
3
get it on
times.
camera.
Oh come on! Why did you get a camera? They know I died. Okay.
Yeah, I
Wait,
just
I got the
just
key.
zoom
Why
in on the
can't I
system.
Wait, how many lives do you have left?
One. Yeah.
Whoa! Why did I move? Why did I move? Why the hell did I move?
You see, I have hard mode on. By the way.
Your mom.
Wait.
Yes, I have 4 lives left.
Where did you come from?
I like how you died after that.
Good luck. Good luck. Good
You
luck,
died?
ah.
Wait, are you
No!
like actually dead?
I'm actually dead.
Aaron,
you
you
can't
suck,
respawn.
man.
You have to restart.
You
No,
freaking
wait,
sacrificed
no.
yourself for comedy, even though I didn't get in camera. Well,
You want to
damn.
You want to restart? You want to restart?
No, we're fine, Just spectate us, man.
You look so serious in my touch. I'm dying inside to see how you're doing this. Nina, there's nothing in there. I already checked.
Oh damn! Oh my god!
Why'd you
what
get
is that?
in?
I didn't mean to.
Ah, yes, you didn't mean to. What do you call the dog? What is his name?
Why is
my
there a
God.
phone?
Where?
I don't know. I hear a phone right now.
I think.
Can you slow the thing down? Shut up! Fuck off!
Well, damn.
Whoa. Is that how you speak to your brothers? Ah.
Yes. Very
am-
much yes. Steve, where are you?
I am.
Is that the start?
Yeah, at the start.
Wait, make noise.
Oh
Make noise
my
for me.
god, bro!
Whistle,
This
whistle, whistle.
freaking.
Go whistle, go whistle. Oh no, oh no!
Oh,
Did it?
you deaf.
Even though that's his main ability.
You can't even
Oh,
hear the
no.
whistle. Oh.
Oh no! Oh no!
What's up, my guy?
Tell me when
What's
he's
Oh
up?
my
near.
god!
That is some
That
nice
is
ass.
that is so disgusting. Just take your time. Go the other room behind you. Oh, okay. Oh, that works.
I'm really helping you, Nia.
There's nothing there. No.
Just tell me if he comes my way.
Yeah, but you see, the guy is just at Steve. There's no keys in all of that. Check the other one.
Well,
You're gonna check that one. You're gonna. There's nothing there. You're gonna check the. Can you close the one on top? Yeah, there's nothing there. Look below. The below. The last two.
2 hours later.
There's nothing. Check the second last one. Second last. No. Okay, now check the other cabinets. No,
I thought we did.
no, yeah. Check the other cabinets, not that one. No, I mean the one outside that you were just now. Okay. I guess go back. Yeah, that way. There should be cabinets on the other side and that too.
Hey, Eden, look at
Ah.
me.
Why would my body stays there? Let's go. Crouch, crouch. I'm looking at from two perspectives, you see, and I can barely see from.
Oh
there.
no! Oh no! Oh no! Okay, okay.
You whistle. Okay. Yeah, it's with Steve, so you can just check freely. Check the middle one.
Oh, okay. He's at
Check.
the beginning of the corridor, so you have time.
The top.
Oh!
The
He's
top.
coming back. He's coming
There's
back.
nothing there. Okay, check the other cabinets from the other side.
12 seconds later.
Where's
Oh,
the guy?
don't stop.
Where's the guy? You can continue. Continue.
What
Okay.
the
Hey,
hell?
wait.
Your mom.
Oh, wait.
No,
Don't walk. Do not.
your mom.
What's up, Evan? What's up?
Don't
Wait. What's
Hey,
that?
yo.
Okay, go.
you died?
Oh! What the hell?
You died.
How did I die?
What the
Oh my gosh, how?
How did I freaking die? Freaking
Wait,
so unfair, bro.
Wait, don't go. I said
Look at
don't,
me. Look at me.
stop walking.
Your mom. Your
Okay,
mom.
walk.
Your mom. Your mom. Your mom.
You suck ass. Come on, hurry up. Come on. Oh wait, yeah. Stop walking. No, this room. Yeah, go to the other side. Yeah. Go in.
Maya, why are you
Behind you.
saying stop resurface?
No, behind you. No, this room has a button. You don't really put it.
No, I didn't.
Okay, then. Yeah, right there.
This is such a perfect song. What I am doing right now.
Yeah, that door doesn't. That door, I don't. Yeah, I don't. What the hell?
Let me check.
They are. Yeah.
Man, this
yeah,
gameplay
there.
really sucks. I want to see how. Oh, wait.
There's also another two doors in the other side, the front. You know.
I want to see how fast. Alright, Maya, okay.
The
Alright.
guy is not with you. The guy is with Steve. Yeah, just go out.
Okay, Maya,
I'm
can
gonna
you
go
cue
slow.
the
Okay.
Subway Surfer theme song?
So,
Cue. Oh yes. Alright. I want to see how fast this guy is.
okay,
Hey, bro.
Run!
Hey bro,
Run!
come on, bro.
Run!
Come on. This man's slow as hell. Come on.
Yeah, he's
What's
so No, Steve, don't go there. Steve, no. That's the dead end.
Come on. Come here.
Steve, no. Oh boy, you're gonna die. Oh no.
Oh yeah, come here. Boss, come here, boss.
I just forgot if I actually do this
Imagine
room
I
in
do
real
this.
life.
If I
Come here.
But where's the button?
Oh no.
there's a button.